When I'm all alone and the weight of the world is more than I can bear on my own, when all my plans have failed and I've suffered defeat, I'm down on my knees, I can't get to my feet. Your love breaks through and reminds me of the hope that I have in you, that I have in you. There's no other place that I'd rather be than safe in the arms of my Savior. There's no other place where I can be free, so I run to the arms of my Savior. La la la.